Here's some of the equipment from the company that's doing the cleanup. Everything in the garage has the scent of burning house on it. The Corvette was open, so the entire interior smells like a fire happened inside of it. The seats, the carpet, the plastic, everything got covered in the smoke scent that leaked into the garage. Yep, the bag even smells like it. So that includes my gear right there, my op gear. It includes all of this. It includes the seats that were redone already, the carpets, the plastic, the engine, the windshield, the outer body. Everything got covered in the smoke from the fire. That also includes my special edition motorcycle. And everything else in the garage, including my gun safes over there, those clothes there, that monitor, those tools, that fridge, that generator, that air compressor, those rims and tires, everything over there, this air conditioner, everything got covered in this smoke and soot from the fire. The door panels, the coverings, those parts, all of that that's in there, all got covered. My freezer, all got covered in that smoke from the fire. I don't know how I'm going to write this up for the insurance company, but every bit of the interior of the Corvette needs to be replaced in order to get rid of the smoke smell. And then we need to do one of those special foggings that actually absorbs the particles of smoke and soot and lifts them off of things. That's happening Monday afternoon, where they're going to be doing that to the whole house. It's almost like a decontamination of everything in the house. So I'm a little upset, especially with all the work that we've done to this, and all the work that we had planned going forward is right now all on hold. It's making the channel suffer. I'm absolutely beside myself at being upset about this. I don't know if any of you have seen my living room or any of that in any YouTube videos, but you saw the video of the fire and what looks like behind that plastic over there. But along the wall were posters. There's a poster there, and a poster above the fireplace. They are all right here. They are like, I can't find these posters anywhere anymore. So these are smoke and water damaged. I can find that one again. I can't find that one. That's Heath Ledger as Joker in the Batman movie. I thought it was the best portrayal of the Joker that he did. You know, there's the last Jedi right there. I can't find that one anymore. I can't find this Rick and Morty poster anymore anywhere. I can't find this Overwatch poster anymore. And this is a one-off print. So that's gone. There was that TV, this TV, that DVD player, all those DVDs, my Xbox games, my headset down there. This, the Minions fart gun, new in box, totally soaked, totally destroyed, no longer new in box. New in box, Mel. Was this Mel? No, this was Tom. This was Tom. Two other DVD 4K Blu-ray players. A picture frame that no longer works because it got wet and smoke damaged. This was a Christmas present from a party that we went to. That's covered in smoke damage. There's 10 of the throw pillows, the hassock, the sectional couch, the carpet, 2 printers that I had over there aren't working like they should, and they're all smoke filled. This bookcase had a whole bunch of stuff in it that was important to me, all covered in smoke, all water damaged. These hats, these 3 hats are the last thing I have of my friend Mark Roberts, who died about 10 years ago. 12 years ago? No, more than that. 14 years ago he died. And these were the last things that I have of him. They are smoke damaged and water damaged. These are hats that meant something for me. Like I got this one from my kids. That one doesn't matter to me. That one matters to me because this is a Star Wars hat before Disney bought Star Wars. Never been worn. There's my NRA hat that I got from them, and there's my Boston's hat. These hats are the ones that mean the most to me, in that Star Wars hat over here. But these are the ones that mean the most to me. My posters all mean something to me. I saw this one on an episode of The Big Bang behind Stuart in his comic book shop, and I said, hey, I want that poster. Can't get it anymore. This one I got from a friend. It's an IAS truss frame and all the information for that. Can't get that anymore. This Rick and Morty I like because I like the show. Can't get that one anymore. This Child to Grogu was from The Mandalorian. Can't get that anymore. This one is Spider-Verse with... oh my god, his name begins with an M. The character. Anyway. Miles, yes. Miles, thank you. My daughter telling me Miles. And me and my grandson bonded over this movie when we went to see it together. Heath Ledger, of course, he's dead. Can't get that anymore. And I thought he played the greatest Joker of them all. Last Star Wars out of the 9 episodes. Rick and Morty, the group, out of locking themselves in the house to find the parasite. Can't get that anymore. My son turned me on to this game, Overwatch, and me and him played that. I liked that game a lot. And that, of course, I got from a friend, and you can't get it anywhere else. So yeah, I'm pretty upset about all the stuff I've lost in my living room. That carpet I found after searching for about 2 months because it matched the couch that I was getting, and then I matched the TV stand for it. The curtains, of course, they're trashed, smoke filled. I got to send them off somewhere to hopefully get them clean. They got to tear up the floor to a certain point. They got to tear the wall down. They got to tear the ceiling down. Yeah. I'm not happy at all. And that smoke made it into my kitchen. So in here we were redoing the cabinets, so all that now has to stop. Everything that was on the counters got covered in smoke. The stove, the microwave, the Keurig, the water purifier, all got covered in this shit. Yeah. Cabinets everywhere. The hallway too, because of the floor. We got to match the floor because the floor is warping over there from the water damage from the fire hoses, and we got to tear up the floor, and then we got to match it and sand it and all that and to the rest of the floor. The bathroom got smoke and soot inside of it. So it really wasn't a fun time after you think about all the damage that's happened. And I'm just beside myself because I can't do any work on the vet until I hear back from the insurance company of what they're going to fix. I can't go back and do much of anything until all of that happens. So not only is it hurting me with everything stopping and loss of all the items of my life, but it's also hurting the YouTube channel because I can't do any work on the Corvette anymore until I hear back and find out what's going to go on with that, because it smells like smoke and fire and soot, all from the fire.